Nike's Dunk Low Red Sepia is shaping up to be a standout in the brand's lifestyle catalog, merging streetwear appeal with subtle luxury. While no official release date has been confirmed, its arrival seems imminent given the momentum behind other mini Swoosh Dunk Lows. A bold red suede overlays a crisp white leather base, while matching red details on the laces, lining, and signature swooshes create a clean, unified look. The sneaker's white midsole and red outsole stay faithful to Dunk Low tradition, offering comfort and versatility. A gold mini swoosh on the heel adds a refined touch, elevating the design without overpowering it. Whether you're a longtime sneakerhead or a casual fan looking for a stylish daily option, the red sepia delivers a balanced mix of flair and function. As Nike continues to evolve its Dunk Low lineup, this edition serves as a modern update that remains rooted in classic design.